GM and welcome to a new video. Let's talk about the animecoin ecosystem. The TGE is tomorrow and I wanted to create this video, give you some insights on why they are launching this, some infos around the chain, the coin, what they are building, and then how to actually claim the coin. I don't have my webcam with me because I'm in between setups, so you won't see me today, but you can still hear me. Let's go. Animecoin, if we go here, this is their website. As always, all the links are down in the description, anime.xyz. If we go here, about and then blueprint, I already opened this up here, then we can see a lot of information. They want to empower 1 billion fans to shape and co-own the future of anime through a full stack anime approach that integrates original IP creation, distribution via anime.com, and a purpose-built blockchain infrastructure, which is animechain. So you see those three building blocks here. Let's talk about the strategy. Animechain, this is the dedicated blockchain using Arbitrum Orbit, with animecoin as the gas token, simplifying onboarding for Web 2 fans, as they put it. So basically, they are doing the same that ApeChain did, because with ApeChain, they are also based on the Arbitrum Orbit technology. Also, ApeCoin is the gas token that all makes it easier. If you have the animecoin, then you basically also can pay for the transactions. Then we have anime.com, which is the, as they call it, the distribution layer. A flagship platform unifying the discovery, social interaction, streaming, collectibles, gamification, all of that together. And then we have the content and IP. And we have here, starting with Azuki, which most of you probably know. Animecoin wants to leverage co-creation, storytelling, and merchandise to fuel the ecosystem. So we have those three layers. Then basically what they have down here, they tell you how the anime market is growing, the industry, and that it is anticipated that it grows to 60 billion by 2030, exceeding the size of the global music industry and global box office sales combined. There's a lot of opportunities here, and they want to build an ecosystem where the fans are owners, creators, and drivers of anime's evolution. Web3 in a nutshell, but for anime. They want to integrate the blockchain tech to unlock transparency, innovation, and a sustainable fan creator economy. Now you basically know everything that you need to know about the ecosystem. You can read more about this under anime.xyz blueprint, but yeah, let's focus on the coin that is dropping tomorrow. This is probably why a lot of you are watching this video. Now you know more about anime. Let's dive in. I also wrote a thread on this. You can see this here. 50.5% of the anime token supply is allocated to the community, with very strong focus on community participation and governance. We can see this here. Azuki community 37, team advisors, partner communities, the company community, cultivation, and so on and so on. All right, let's go to the facts. This is the anime X account. We also have the Azuki X account. There's also the animecom X account. So a lot of X accounts these days for the project. We also have Zagabond as the lead. He's basically Luca Netz from Azuki, or from the animecoin ecosystem. Now, if we go to the anime.xyz page and then click on FAQ, this is where we get all the information that we want. The token claim is tomorrow. The claim window is 45 days, starting tomorrow. The window for unrevealed elemental bean NFTs will close roughly 2 years from the token launch. You still got time there. You don't have to reveal them just because of this. What will happen to the anime that's unclaimed within the claim window? That will get back to the DAO. And here's an important part: delegate wallets are supported. You can delegate your cold wallet, where you have your Azuki assets, to a hot wallet and then claim with this hot wallet. And the claim will be on Arbitrum. This is Arbitrum 1. There's also Arbitrum Nova, but you want to bridge your ETH to Arbitrum 1. Basically, you need some ETH on, as they call it here, on the Arbitrum 1 chain to pay for the claim. You can do this by bridging from the Ethereum mainnet, but if you don't have funds on Arbitrum, maybe you got some funds on other L2s that you can bridge from there, because that's way cheaper from L2 to L2. If you need to bridge from L1 to L2, most of the time Relay is one of the cheapest bridges. There's also Jumper as one of the cheaper bridges. So yeah, use one of those. Or you can also use the Rabby gas account. I showed this in a video that I'm gonna link here, that you can actually then use to do the claim on the Arbitrum chain. There's even more stuff here, but I opened some of the FAQs that I wanted to talk about. Where will Anime be tradable? Anime will be available to trade on various decentralized and centralized exchanges. More info is coming soon. Best advice, as always, is to follow the official accounts. So make sure that you only are following animecoin, anime.com, and double, triple check if the contract address is actually the correct one if you want to buy the token, which I wouldn't advise anyone to do because there's a high volatility. So be careful and know what you're actually doing. I know that I won't touch this. Then there are certain points, NFT base points, and I was showing this in my thread. Azuki gets 1000 points, an Elemental 100, Beans 67, and Bobu 4 points. You have base points that give you certain points. Then there's a lot of other stuff that gets you bonus points. You get the gacha grab bonus. Then if you held your NFTs for a certain amount, then you also get a bonus. There's a lot of stuff that you need to take care of. What wallet should I use to claim? For the Azuki, Elementals, and Beans NFT allocations, claim with the wallet holding the NFT or delegate for that NFT owner wallet. This is what I explained to you. If you have more than 75 eligible NFTs, multiple transactions will be required. So basically, if you're a whale, you need to do this in several transactions. Let me know if one of you watching this video actually has more than 75 Azuki assets. Then for the Azuki ERC 1155s, then this is Bobu, Ambush, or Fractional Golden Skateboard. You can claim with the primary wallet set on your Azuki's collector profile or delegate for that wallet. And Gacha Grub bonus quests, claim with the primary wallet on your Azuki collector's profile or a delegate for that wallet. That's basically it. I don't think any of you have multi-signatures. If you do, you can also delegate wallets via delegate.xyz. For all the partner communities such as Hyperliquid, Kaito, Arbitrum, and other communities that might get an airdrop, the claims will be soon. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure that you have some ETH on Arbitrum to claim, then you should be good to go. But to be honest, if you are not planning on selling this, just wait it out, see how this unfolds, and then claim once you have the time to do this, and maybe once gas fees have settled a bit, though, because even though it's an L2, there might be some peaks there. All right, let me know if you are eligible, if you will claim tomorrow, if you're planning on selling, if you're planning on holding. And yeah, that being said, thank you so much for watching. You haven't done so, make sure to subscribe to my channel. There's a lot of videos upcoming in the next days. I will be at Catstanbul doing a video log from there. This is the huge Jupiter conference, also on the Jupiter claim. So make sure to follow and see you in the next video.